NFSU का Delhi campus worth it है या नहीं? Hello everyone. So since all of you are yet to meet your choice about the campus, I believe it is very important for you to have a basic understanding of the Delhi campus as well. Because yes, do not worry अगर आपने कुछ और choose किया है अपने campus preference में, अगर आप अच्छा score करते हैं in the NFAT exam, during the counseling you are asked about your choice of campus. So today let us straight away dive into the NFSU Delhi campus. I have got a lot of pictures and videos for you guys as well. We will start with campus overview, moving on to hostel facilities, infrastructure and labs, campus life and culture, clubs, transfer option to the main campus, and finally why you should choose the Delhi campus. Firstly, for all those who don't know me, hi, I'm Niharika, a second year BBMBA student at the National Forensic Sciences University, pursuing the integrated program in management from the beautiful main campus at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. So the NFSU Delhi campus is located in Rohini Sector 3 of Delhi, and it was formerly known as LNJ Institute of Criminology and Forensic Sciences, that stands for Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Narayan, before it merged with NFSU. And unlike the huge Gandhinagar campus, Delhi is much more compact. It is like very small as compared to the Gandhinagar campus. But if your main focus is on studying and forensic science and all of that, then the essentials are mostly in place. Now let's talk about hostels. So yes, there are both girls and boys hostels available. Girls hostel is in campus and boys hostel is off campus around 3 to 4 kilometers outside, and no transportation is provided, so उनको खुद का manage करना पड़ता है आना जाना. And the allotment of campus is on the basis of merit and location preference. Merit is basically your score in the NFAT exam. So the top scorers are given, which is the same criteria as in the Gandhinagar campus. As for location preference, it's basically that if your parents or family is staying in Delhi NCR or surrounding places, you're given less priority as compared to people coming from outside of Delhi. And the campus is only allotted to first year students. उसके बाद आपको अपना देख लेना पड़ेगा. But yes, it's Delhi, so you have a lot of flats, PGs, hostels available nearby at a very cheap and affordable price. Now here's a room tour for both girls and the boys hostels. So both AC and non-AC options are available. Although in the recent times there have been some issues like this one tweet over here, but hopefully the administration is working to sort out this. Food options inside the campus is completely vegetarian, just like the Gandhinagar campus. But yes, you know, it's Delhi. So unlike in Gandhinagar where food options are mostly vegetarian, in Delhi you can find very good, cheap non-veg food outside the campus. Talking about the infrastructure, there is an auditorium that is used for events or gatherings and competitions. The pictures you can see. There's also an outdoor badminton court and a library along with a dining hall that looks like this. And a common area that students use to hang out. Now let us talk about the lab facilities for the various departments. Firstly, BBMBA. Since it's management, you do not really need a lot of labs except for the computer lab, which is also used by the BTech courses. So talking about the BTech courses, as told by a student in the Delhi campus, and I quote, NFSU Delhi campus has some great cybersecurity labs. The labs have the latest penetration testing, digital forensic and malware analysis tools, providing real-world experience for students in cybersecurity. They train cyber commandos too, who have intense preparation in cyber warfare and incident response. The laboratories are air-conditioned with projectors and fast Wi-Fi facilities in place for easy learning and presentations. NFSU also works with industry experts and government ministries, as well as conducts regular workshops and hackathons in order to keep the students informed of recent trends. And finally, the most important, forensic science laboratories, which are used for courses like BSc, MSc in forensic science or criminology, or the MSc forensic sciences courses. So here's a detailed voice note from a student at NFSU Delhi who has very nicely covered all of this.
See, to be very honest, I think Gandhinagar would definitely have better lab facilities for the course BSc, MSc Forensic Sciences. It's not like Delhi does not have it. Delhi does have labs, but I'm comparing the facilities, and in that terms, I think Gandhinagar is better. See, we have different labs for the different branches here as well. For talking about ballistics, anthropology to DNA, fingerprinting and stuff, we have all the equipments and we do have labs. But to compare if they're working or not and if they're very much efficient to understand the leeches and the guidance and everything. So for that, I'd say it's average. Some labs are great. For example, the fingerprinting lab here, it's really great. The facilities and the faculties, they both are great, right? But toxicology and for chemistry, I'm not sure. But we did study general chemistry and we did go for the practicals in that chemistry lab, but it was not exactly in a great condition because we did not have chemicals. And it's average.
And here's the subject-wise breakdown of all the specific labs. So yes, in conclusion, it is not the most high-tech setup ever or at par with the Gandhinagar campus. But yes, the administration is again working towards improving the infrastructure. Okay, when it comes to the campus life, it's kind of a mixed bag. Since there is no big central ground for all of these events, they mostly rent out a hall or party plot for events like the freshers. But yes, as more and more people are coming up, more festivals are being celebrated like Ugadi, Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri and much more. Now the campus has officially declared key clubs banengi, namely 5 of them, which are sports, photography, cultural, management, literature and debate. But yes, it's still in a very early stage, so still the choosing of presidents or the events to be conducted is going on. As for the transfer option from campuses, it's solely on the basis of merit. But please do mind that if you're doing an integrated course from the NFSU Delhi campus, like suppose BBA MBA, and after completing your UG, which is BBA, you want to do your PG in the main campus, in the Gandhinagar campus, you will not be given any preference. आपको कोई भी preference नहीं दी जाएगी. You would also have to give the NFAT or the National Forensics Aptitude Test, just like everybody else, to get the main campus. Okay, now that we have a pretty good idea of what the whole Delhi campus is about, the functions, the benefits, the facilities and everything, let us talk about a few cases in which the Delhi campus might be the better option for you. और जब मैंने पूछा to most of the people what were their main reasons for choosing the Delhi campus. Number 1, if your parents or family or relatives are staying there and if suppose they're sick or they don't want you to go away or if you don't want to leave your family, then you might choose the Delhi campus. Number 2, if you want to solely rely on the locational exposure, we all know that Delhi is a very developed place. It has a lot of places like the Pragati Maidan where regular business events, conclaves or expos are being conducted. So yes, you do have a good opportunity for internships or jobs. And if you want to solely rely on that factor, you might choose the Delhi campus. And number 3, if you do not want to give up the fun and the party life and the culture of Delhi, हम सबको पता है Delhi किस चीज के लिए famous है, right? So yes, if you cannot survive in a dry state like Gujarat eating vegetarian food, then you please may choose the Delhi campus. And yes, that is it for this video. I hope I cleared a lot of your common queries about the NFSU Delhi campus. But yes, of course, I would really hope कि आपको गांधीनगर campus मिल जाए and that we could meet, maybe someday टपरी पे जाके चाय पिएंगे. And yes, please do let me know in the comments if you have any more queries or would like to know anything else about NFSU. I'll surely get back to you. And you can always connect to me on my Instagram ID @niharika or my LinkedIn ID. And I'll also be sharing you the link to our WhatsApp group where we chat, discuss doubts and have a lot of fun. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.